Hi guys, it's Alvi with House of Color. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. I'm doing a haul with Fashion Nova and everything I got is for Valentine's Day, but it can also be for everyday wear as well. I got some really cute pieces and I can't wait to show you guys because it is just so stunning. Usually I leave the best for last, but this time I'm going to show you the best first, okay? So this has got to be my favorite piece from the haul today. This is a really gorgeous spaghetti strap dress. It's in red and it's just so subtle yet sexy yet classy. It's just a beautiful statement dress. And the minute I put it on, you guys, I was like, wow, it is so stunning. This dress is just perfect for Valentine's Day. What I really love about this dress is, oh, by the way, you guys, I got it in a medium because I decided that I am sizing up now. The last time I shopped at Fashion Nova, I got all small, but some of the dresses was so freaking tight on me and I was just like, you know what? It's time. I think it's time I size up. I decided to get a medium in the dresses this time and it worked out really well. Oh, hi. Hi, baby. How are you? What are you doing? Hi. Say good morning. Good morning. Oh, my little baby. Hi, baby. Con ngủ ngon. Không mommy đi. Không mommy? Thank you. Love you.
Hey.
Okay. Okay. Con ngồi bên kia, okay? Mommy do a video, okay? Con ngồi đây nè. Ngồi đây nè. You good? Right there? You okay? Good? So what I really love about this dress is the fact that it's just so simple. You guys know I love spaghetti strap dresses. It's so elegant and the neck is kind of swoop, so it gives a little bit of cleave but not too much where you're just like out there, unless you want to be, and that's fine. And it's a long dress, it's body hugging, but it's not too tight where I can't eat my dinner because you know what, I'm not one of those girls that isn't gonna eat, okay? If I'm going out to dinner, I'm eating, okay? I'm not getting a salad, no. I'm getting me a pasta and I'm getting some tiramisu when I'm done. But what I really love about this dress also is that it is a mermaid shape. So it curves in and then it hugs your hips and then it has a little tail at the end and it is just simply beautiful. And I think the best part about this dress, you guys, is that it's $39.99. It's so inexpensive, but it does not look cheap at all. The next piece I got was this dress that I'm wearing right now. I also got it in a medium. For those that don't want to wear red, you don't have to. You can opt for black. And this is just a beautiful off-the-shoulder black dress. It's also long, but it's not too long. If you are vertically challenged like me, you will find long dresses to be way too long for you. It's just very difficult to wear. But this dress is actually not long at all, and you can wear it with heels, and it's just going to be perfect. You don't have to get it tailored. And it also has a slit on the side of the leg, so it gives a really nice touch to a simple black dress. And I love the material. It's stretchy and it's movable and it's just perfect. The next dress that I got is seriously so cute, you guys. I put it on and I was like, wow, this dress is amazing. It's a blue floral color and it's long sleeves, and I love the fact that the sleeves have this thing going on right here, has the buttons right there, so it kind of clamps onto your wrist. I think this dress comes in, I want to say 4 other colors, but I chose the blue because I chose the blue because you can wear for Valentine's Day. You can also wear it on vacation. Now, I can see myself wearing this maybe somewhere tropical, Bahamas, Hawaii, Bali, hello, so many different places. But I just love the cut of this dress. It hugs your waist right here, and then it also has a tie, so you can tie your waist and give it more of a shape to it. And then okay, It also has slits on the side of the legs. You know, sometimes when you wear maxi dresses and they don't have like slits or anything like that, and if you're short, it just becomes way too much fabric. The fact that it does have slits on the sides makes it really nice and movable, and I think it gives it more dimension for people who are shorter, such as me. Next up, I got this really cute sweater dress. It is a mock neck gray turtleneck dress, and the sleeves are kind of like flared at the end, and it's a mini cut, so you can wear your thigh highs with it. You could do black thigh highs, you can do gray thigh highs, you could do even little booties with maybe some pee-pee. Oh, you need to go pee-pee? Okay, I'll be right back. What I really love about this dress is the length is just perfect on me. It's so stretchy, it's so comfy. I tried it on and I was like, yes, I could see myself wearing this all day and it'll just be super comfy. This next piece, you guys, I'm so in love with. So this is a two-piece set, and you can see the color is just absolutely gorgeous. I love the material on this. The inside piece is a tank dress, and it's long and it's body hugging. It also has a slit on the side of the leg, and then I think this is my favorite part of the dress. Without this piece, it'll just be any other dress, but there is a little outer piece that goes with it, and I love the fact that it is velour material, and then around like the neckline and the hemline, it's a satin material, so it gives a really nice texture to the outfit. And you can wear this piece kind of like slouch. You can do, you know, that little thing where it's like you wear a jacket but you don't really wear a jacket. I am feeling all sorts of vacation vibes in this. This gold color is just absolutely gorgeous. It's so luxurious and so classy, and I think this will be really perfect if you have that nice tan. It'll really make this color stand out. The only thing is this piece is just way too long for me, so I'm really going to have to think about maybe getting it hemmed to fit my body better, but it's just so gorgeous, you guys. Really cute tunic. I am loving this. It's sparkly and it has a big tiger on it, or is it a cat? Looks more like a freaking cat when I'm holding it up, but I'm pretty positive it's supposed to be a tiger. So this is a really cute black tunic. It's for those off days when you just want to throw something on but you don't want to look sloppy. So I think this is a really cute top. It is in a size small and it is oversized, so it's a little bit larger, and I just love the slouchy vibe of this. I love the fact that it has like all this glitter on it, and you can pair it with some sneakers. I'm just loving this top dress. And so that was everything that I got from Fashion Nova this time. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I really loved all the pieces. Leave a comment below and let me know which piece was your favorite. And don't forget to use my discount code XOHOC and save some money at checkout. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!